How to fix iPhone battery drain. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can fix your iPhone's battery drain. Now, before we begin to fix that, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So first, what you'll need to do is identify which app occupies or eats out most of your battery. To do that, open up your settings. Now let me head over to the settings first. There we go. Now what you'll need to do is head over to battery. You'll find it right here. Tap on it, and after you're on your battery, you can just see which app consumes most of your battery. So for that, you can scroll down and find it out. So whichever app is using most power, you can reduce the power consumption by simply stopping to use that app or simply using less of that app, and that way you can save battery. The other thing that you can do is optimize your system settings. You can update your iOS. To do that, head over to general. You should find general right here. Tap on general, tap on software update, and if any update is available, simply update that. And after you've done that, you can also turn on low power mode. You can also adjust your screen brightness. So what we can do is just scroll down from the top right, and there you will see a battery saver mode. You can turn that on, and if not, you can also adjust your brightness. Sometimes higher brightness can consume more power, so do that. And yeah, location services, you can turn off location services as well. So to do that, you can just go to settings, scroll down until you find privacy and security. Tap on that, and there you'll see location services. Tap on that and turn that off. After you've turned location services off, your problem should be fixed. And that's how you fix the battery drain. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.